What you doing, cutie? I love the sound of the pitter-patter of her feet on this leather couch. For some reason it makes me happy. Yeah. Yeah. So cute. Mommy loves the pitter-patter of your feet on the couch. It's so cute. I really hope you can hear it because it's so cute. Do you like that pillow? Yeah, she's nodding. Go preen it. Oh, no, you can find a mommy. Go preen the pillow. Come here. Go preen the pillow. Come on. Go preen the pillow. You done? You don't want to preen it anymore? Go preen it. No, she's done. She says, Mommy, I am done. I do not need to preen a pillow anymore. And frankly, I find it weird that you're recording the sounds of my feet walking on the couch. That's very weird, Mommy. It's very weird. Yep, but it's also so very cute. Yes, it is. It's so cute. Do it. Walk. Mom, stop recording my feet. Do my feet. Yeah.